Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Liana Marimersa. I'm 29 years old, a single, and I have 3 kids. A college graduate, and I had experience in Philippines for 3 years and 8 months as a domestic helper, Finnish contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is taking care of a newborn baby, taking care of the children, elderly, washing clothes, and do household chores.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and an elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking for them and feeding for them.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, I finished in degree of education. I can cook Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, and fast learner.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, I will promise that I will finish the 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.